I'm a stray cat and I need a home, someplace safe and warm so I don't have to roam. I'm searching for a family that I can call my own. I've been looking everywhere and I haven't found one yet. I don't want to nag, but please don't forget. It really sucks when you're a homeless cat and you get cold and wet. I would like to add my initials to your monogram. Tell me, where is the family for this lost land? There's a somebody I'm longing to see. I hope that he or she turns out to be someone to rescue me. I'm a little cat who's lost in the hood, and I know I could be very, very good if you would please rescue me. Although I may not be a fancy pedigree, I'm just an ordinary tabby. To my heart you carry the key. Hurry up and put on some speed. I'll follow your lead. Oh, how I need someone to please rescue me. Meow. Meow. Oh, meow, meow. Someone to please. Although I may not be a fancy pedigree, I'm just an ordinary tabby mix. In my heart you carry some speed. I'll follow your lead. Oh, how I need someone to watch over me. All I really need is someone to rescue.